I wake up to the ocean's call. Golden light paints the mountain wall. A breeze from the sea whispers my name. In Krabi's heart I'm never the same. Palm trees dancing in the sky. Colors change as time drifts by. Every wave that touches the sand feels like peace.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Bappa. Today we are in one of the most beautiful places in Thailand, Krabi. Krabi is like a dreamland. Blue water, white beaches, and stunning limestone mountains all around. This is a paradise for travelers who love peace, nature, and adventure. From the world-famous Phi Islands to the calm Railay beach, every corner of Krabi feels straight out of a postcard. If you're someone who loves exploring nature while keeping things simple and budget-friendly, you're going to love today's video. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel, Simple Bappa. On this channel, I share my real travel experiences, honest hotel reviews, food stories, and tips for exploring the world on a budget. My goal is to show you what it actually feels like to stay, eat, and travel in these destinations. Not sponsored reviews, but real experiences. So if you love travel, adventure, and honest storytelling, hit that subscribe button and join me. Now, let's start today's journey, a complete tour of the Palace Aonang Resort, Krabi. We've just arrived at Aonang, the most happening area in Krabi. During the day it's calm, sunny and peaceful, but at night it turns vibrant with music, bars, shops and amazing street food. Right in the center of this area stands our stay for today, the Palace Aonang Resort. The location is perfect. The beach is just a 2-minute walk away.
Krabi under the endless sky, I whisper your name as time goes by. No matter where my journeys roam, you'll always be my ocean home. Oh, Krabi, you're a dream I found, where the sea and the soul are bound. Your sunset burns in shades of gold, a story of love forever told. Oh, Krabi, take my breath away. I remember this every day, from Aonang shore to Railay. You, my heart will always come back to you.
Let's check in and see what this place has to offer. As soon as you enter, you'll notice a small green garden and an open-air reception area. The staff greet you with big smiles, very friendly and welcoming. At the reception, there is a travel desk where you can easily book your island tours like the Phi Islands, 4 Island Tour or Railay Beach. The lobby is simple but clean and peaceful, just what you want after a long flight or boat ride. Let's head to the room now. As soon as you open the door, you'll find a spacious double bed, a sofa, a TV, a fridge, and a private balcony. The room is clean, comfortable, and air-conditioned. Wi-Fi is strong, and the lighting is cozy. The bathroom is neat with a hot shower, towels, and all the basic toiletries you'll need. For solo travelers or couples, this room is perfect. But what I love the most, the view from the balcony. In the morning, sitting there with a cup of coffee, watching the mountains and the sky, that's pure peace.
I wake up to the ocean's call. Golden light paints the mountain wall. A breeze from the sea whispers my name. In Krabi's heart I'm never the same. Palm trees dancing in the sky, colors change as time drifts by. Every wave that touches the sand feels like peace holding my hand. Oh, Krabi, you're a dream I found, where the sea and the soul are bound. Your sunset burns in shades of gold, a story of love forever told. Oh, Krabi, take my breath away, I'll remember this every day. From Aonang shore to Railay's hue, my heart will always come back to you. Boats are singing out on the bay, fishermen smile as they drift away. The islands shine like jewels in blue, every color feels so true. Streetlights glow as night falls near, laughter and music fill the air. The stars above begin to play, and my soul just wants to stay. Oh, Krabi, you're a dream I found, where the sea and the soul are bound. Your sunset burns in shades of gold.
Right at the center of the resort, you'll find a small but beautiful swimming pool. There are the sunbeds, umbrellas, and a calm mountain view behind it. It's the perfect spot to relax after a long day of sightseeing or island hopping. And yes, the mountain backdrop makes it an Instagram-worthy spot for sure.
Sunlight dancing on the water skin. The world slows down, I breathe it in. Every ripple tells a story new of peace and joy in shades of blue. In the pool I find my calm, floating free in nature's palm. No noise, no crowd, no rule, just me and dreams in this pool. Echoes of laughter in the air, reflections shining everywhere. The clouds drift by, so soft, so true. My heart just melts in this ocean.
The Palace Aonang Resort offers quite a few services. You can rent scooters, book tours, use the laundry service, or ask for airport transfer assistance. They also have 24-hour front desk support. The staff are really professional and always ready to help. If you're new to Krabi and want quick travel arrangements, this hotel makes everything easy. Let's talk about the price. Rooms at the Palace Aonang Resort usually range between 1,200 to 2,000 Thai baht per night. That's roughly 2,700 to 4,500 Indian rupees. If you book early through sites like Agoda, Booking.com or Trip.com, you can even get 30 to 40% discounts.
It goes, we learn to brave, and in this water, clear and deep, my soul finds dreams it wants to keep. In the pool, my thoughts unwind, peace like water fills my mind. If heaven had a color too, it would look just like this pool.
Now let's talk about breakfast. The breakfast here is simple but tasty. Toast, eggs, sausages, fried rice, fruits, juice, and coffee. The restaurant is open air, so you can enjoy the cool morning breeze with your food. The staff serve with big smiles. And honestly, that's something I love about Thai hospitality. Warm, polite, and genuine.
The sunlight wakes my sleepy eyes, a golden breeze, the morning skies. Coffee's brewing, the day feels new, and every smell reminds me of you. Breakfast time, the world feels right. Toast and laughter, soft daylight. A cup of peace, a plate of dreams. It's simpler than it seems. Butter melting on warm white bread. Sweet fruit shining in shades of red. Eggs are smiling, tea is warm. This quiet joy becomes my charm. Breakfast time, the world feels right. Toast and laughter, soft daylight. A cup of peace, a plate of dreams. It's simpler than it seems. No rush, no noise, just calm and clear. The morning whispers you're safe here. A little food, a little song, and life feels sweet all day long. Breakfast time, I find my way. A simple start to a perfect day.
For a location this close to the beach and with all these amenities, I'd say it's excellent value for money. I'd rate it a solid 9 out of 10. From this hotel, Aonang Beach is just a 5-minute walk. Evenings here are magical. Watching the sunset while the waves touch your feet feels unreal. You can also visit the Krabi night market just 20 minutes away to enjoy Thai street food and live music. And of course, Railay Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, is only a 15-minute long-tail boat ride away. So that's it for today's vlog. The Palace Aonang Resort, Krabi. Krabi is not just a destination, it's a feeling, peaceful, refreshing, and full of life. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Simple Bappa for more honest travel videos like this. I'm Bappa, and I'll see you soon in the next travel story from another beautiful corner of the world. Till then, travel simple, stay happy, and keep exploring.